Hola, hola, Española. Hi guys, we are in Fuerteventura and here, oh my god, it's so amazing here. I love that place. It's wonderful. I love the views. They are breathtaking and I don't know, it will be like more family vlog. I am just like so happy right now and I have a lot of energy because a really long time I haven't been on the vacations. So finally I can do nothing and just like nothing. Yeah, nothing to add. And right now I'm here, by the way, with my sister Milena. Come here. We have like almost say hello.
Hi.
It's our inside joke.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Milena.
Yeah. And I'm with my sister. What's your name?
Milena.
It's our inside joke, and we will show our skirts because they are matching. And here is really nice path for jogging. I was jogging today in the morning and I was so happy. I was like not jogging and had that feeling, you know, like, oh my god, I hate that. I had completely better one. Like, oh my gosh, I just like love use my legs. Yeah, and look at the, like, let's go here. Oh yeah, look at the beach. It looks like I have never been in Miami, but it's almost, I think, like there. So yeah, I just like really like that place, that part of the island. But for sure we will go for some trips here. We will rent a car. Turn around. I will just like smile.
Smile.
Smile, yeah. Hey. We are going for some entertainments right now in the hotel, and I hope animation team will like me because I love these people. This is my favorite part when I'm going somewhere to the hotels. I love people who are doing the entertainments.
A few moments later.
So we are going to listen to live music, and if you are going to Fuerteventura, remember, here is really windy, but it's also really nice.
Milena! Odwróciłaś na siebie. Nie pokazałaś tego. Jest tu prześlicznie, moi drodzy. Czuję się... Nie umiem opisać tych emocji po prostu. Jestem szczęśliwa, bo nie mam je w Polsce. Oj. Milena, przestań. Bo nie mogę znaleźć mikrofonu.
Just look at that. This is the real Fuerteventura cat. Wow.
Wow!
I just want to say hello and that's it. And see you tomorrow. Yeah, for our next day. I'm not recording a lot because we are not doing also here a lot of things. Like we are most sunbathing and that's it. Yeah. Kisses guys and see you tomorrow. Bye. XOXO. So, guys, hello. Jeszcze raz. So, hello guys in our, I think, third day. I don't know, I'm not counting days when I'm on holidays, vacations. So, yeah, we are going right now to the pool. So, nothing special again, but it's fun, right? It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really nice. What we did, okay, me and Milena, we completely burnt ourselves, and we are so like, it will be later better. It will be like, you know, nice brown color, but right now it's red. So today we I will be today's safari girl. But yeah. Oh, sorry. Like, do you remember my outfit from Paris? It was like the Beyoncé vibe. Today I'm feeling the same, but
Wait a minute! Who are you?
it's more like safari Beyoncé. Like, you know, this is Texas. Woo! And I'm home. Hey! Yeah. When I'm doing nothing, I feel like I'm working late. 'Cause I'm a singer. Finally, we'll do our tour, like room tour. So it's really big, like room, and we are really sorry for the mess. But we are just the girls. But look at the view. How it is beautiful here. Look at the water. How clean is it? Like wonderful. I love the view here. We're in Iberostar Hotel, and yeah, this is our like spot. Okay, so guys, you will never believe who we are right now met. Like, look at this.
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto
Bombardino crocodilo. Okay, guys, so my second childhood dream came true, and officially right now I am with my spirit animals. Okay, you can see that, but with the giraffes. I'm so like I feel inside of me like the happy kiddo, really. Like I was like fed them, and I gave them the apple and the carrot, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at the guys. Can you see that? This animal is here. I don't know what I need to find what kind of species they are, but this is so cute and adorable. They are jumping like everywhere. It's a lot of like here of them. It's like, look at these animals, they're so adorable. I will show you guys. I don't know, they are like everywhere here, everywhere. Yeah, so it's really cool, and we find out like by accident by driving a car, and we saw a lot of people here, and we thought it would be a nice spot for photos or something, but in the other way we found something better than spot for photos. Something really nice experience. I will remember that forever. Guys, so right now we are in Betancuria. I hope I pronounced that well and correctly. And it's so beautiful here. Oh my God, I really like this small city. It's wonderful, it's peaceful, it's really nice. It's not a lot of tourists here. And what else? We also had been in, how we will call that, like Ajuya? Hoya. Yeah, there. Yeah, and we took right now something to drink and eat. And probably, yeah, I will eat shrimps. I love shrimps. Like, fun fact about me, I just like, if someone will ask me, Rita, do you want to eat shrimps? I will eat them. Like, you don't have to even ask. I love shrimps. Fuerteventura, guys, how do you like the Fuerteventura right now?
Absolutely, I love your Scottish accent. Absolutely perfect.
My dad, he's laughing about my English accent. I don't know why. I can't change that, you know? It's like
Typical Scottish.
it's not Scottish. Have you ever heard like the Scottish person?
Ireland.
I even not understand them
Ireland.
with my accent, Scottish accent.
Absolutely perfetto. Peaceful, beautiful,
wonderful, breathtaking views.
The weather is perfect. The climate
yeah.
is absolutely delicious.
Every idiom. Yeah, exactly. I will back later. See ya.
Absolutely. See ya. Bye-bye.
So guys, this is our last evening in this wonderful place. So right now we are just like saying goodbye to the beach. It's so, oh my god, look at this place. It's so amazing. We took a lot of really nice photos, and right now we're just like going slowly to the hotel. Yesterday I completely forgot to just record something, so I am here today of course with my sister, with my lovely Milenka, and yeah, look at this view. Oh, I will miss Fuerteventura. It's so nice here. And really quick outfit check, give me a second. This is my outfit for today. And yeah, she have the white long skirt, her favorite t-shirt, and my glasses, my little star. Okay, and Milenka, wonderful child, because she's helping me a lot with everything. Milenka, just smile. Yeah, she's a wonderful child because she's helping me with everything, to doing the photos for you guys, for my Instagram, for my canals, to record the TikToks. So I just want to say, Milenka, I really appreciate you are here with me, and you are really like strong mentally, like thinking, I don't know, because you're still here with me, and we just like I give you time, so it's not bad, right? It's not bad. Yeah, so yeah. She's a really lovely person, and yeah, everyone needs to take care about my Milenka because she deserves for all the world. Wait, Milenka. Milenka, say goodbye to our room. Say bye. 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 Bye bathroom. Bye bed. Bye nice balcony. Bye. Bye our room. See you on the airport, guys. Yeah? Yeah. Cha 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 cha.